Hey all, let's look at the income elasticity of demand. This is defined as the percentage change in quantity demanded over the percentage change in income. We need income elasticity to determine if the good is a normal good or an inferior good. Let's look at the income elasticity of demand for Domino's pizza and for frozen pizza. The income elasticity of demand for Domino's pizza is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of Domino's pizza on the numerator and percentage change in income on the denominator. So as before, anything in the denominator is the cause, anything on the numerator is the effect. Let's say the income is up by 10% and demand for Domino's pizza is up by 5%. We have a positive result in the calculation. Because we have a positive result here, this means the demand for Domino's pizza went up when income went up. That means Domino's pizza is a normal good. And for normal good, the income elasticity of demand will be a positive number. Now take a look at the income elasticity of demand for frozen pizza. Say the income is going up by 10% and the percentage change in quantity demanded of frozen pizza is going down by negative 5%. The result of income elasticity of demand will be negative. That means frozen pizza is an inferior good. So my conclusion here, when the income elasticity of demand is positive, the good is a normal good. When the income elasticity of demand is a negative number, the good is an inferior good. Okay, that's all you need to know about the concept on elasticity. Hope this makes sense. Thank you very much.